Hi, my name is Grant Kramer, and I am a professor emeritus at the University of Nevada, Reno. This quiz is a multiple choice test. There are 5 possible answers. There's only one correct answer that satisfies the question.
1. Gibberellin hormones that are bioactive are A. GA1 and GA4, B. GA2 and GA3, C. GA12 and ABI5, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. 2. Gibberellins can stimulate growth by A. Loosening cell walls, B. Acidification of the cell walls, C. Raising the yield threshold of the cell wall, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. 3. Gibberellins can affect A. Fruit size and shape, B. Seed germination, C. Sex determination of the flowers, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. 4. When a seed germinates, gibberellin is synthesized in the A. Embryo, B. Endosperm, C. Alurone layer, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. 5. GID1 is a gibberellin A receptor, B. Transcription factor, C. Blocker, D. All of the above, E. None of the above.
In the next video, you will see the answers to this quiz. Have a great day.